morning, my name is Edna and today I'm going to teach you how to prepare an English breakfast meal. So behind me, here are the ingredients. Here we have sausage, toast, tomato, mushroom, 2 eggs, bacon, and white beans in tomato sauce. And let's start! First we're going to heat up the beans. Put it in the pan. Then we have to wash the tomatoes and mushrooms. And now we cut the tomatoes and the mushrooms. Let's cook the bacon. Now we're gonna toast the bread.